There's nothing like being in love, or at least thinking you're in love. I know the feeling. You have a crush, you're in love with them, you want to be with them, but you're too scared to say something. Well, today I'm gonna make that easy for you. Today I'm gonna give you 6 easy crush hacks. Hacks that you can do that don't take a lot of effort, that could get your crush to instantly notice you and like you. Let's hop into it. The first hack you can do is to bring up the lighting in your pictures. Chances are you have social media, which you can use to get your crush to notice you. If you want to get her interest, you want to look as attractive as possible in your picture. And from my experience, a picture with good direct sunlight can make any guy look sexy. It brightens up your face, it gives you this natural, beautiful glow, and it makes your teeth look whiter. So in essence, you're gonna be giving off this handsome glow she's gonna be staring at for hours and stalking. That's a win. Number 2 is something they call the cheerleader effect. You see, people find you more attractive when you're surrounded by other people. Following along to last tip, you can post pictures with your friends, out having a good time with other people on your feed. That way it's not just selfies of you. Then when she sees you, instantly she's gonna find you more attractive because you're just gonna look like this popular, cool, chill, fun guy that she's gonna love to be around. Number 3, show off your gains. If you have a lean body, wear clothing that shows this off. This is the male equivalent of thirst trapping. It's easy, it actually doesn't take too much style. Grab a great t-shirt that fits right, like our Essentials tees, which, by the way, little side note, you guys went so hard there. We sold out in 2 weeks. Now, we're getting a lot of emails of you guys wanting to buy more. Right now, we are sold out, but we are gonna be restocking for next month. I tried to get it in before the holidays, but I couldn't. My factory is just like backed up right now, but we are gonna get it for next month. Make sure you stay tuned because I'm gonna announce it here. That way you get first dibs on the next designs, which, by the way, man, we killed it this time. We perfected it, we saw what you guys wanted, and they are the perfect t-shirt. But back to the video. If you can't get your hands on a perfect t-shirt, then, well, a regular one like from H&M also will do the job. All these shirts that contour your body do a great job of showing your lean physique and spark her interest. Also, which I've talked about before, you can wear a bracelet or a watch to make your forearms look bigger, to make your arms look more vascular. When your arms have something that's tight around the wrist, it tends to make your veins pop, make you look more muscular, more vascular. These from Rose Gold and Black are perfect for that. Why? Because they are adjustable. Almost all the bracelets from our sponsor, Rose Gold and Black, are adjustable. They fit almost any wrist size. So if you have small wimpy wrists like I do, or you have bigger wrists, their bracelets are adjustable to you, to small, medium, large. So when you buy online, you can be rest assured that that bracelet's gonna fit you right and it's gonna do its purpose, make you look better. On top of that, they're running a crazy sale. They hiked up the discount code just for you guys. You won't find this anywhere else. That way for the holidays, you could stock up. So if you've been watching my Rose Gold and Black plugs, you've been wanting a bracelet to yourself, you think these are amazing, you need to get your hands on one. Right now is the time to do it. So if you click that link below, that's my special page just for you guys. That's gonna take you to a page to all my favorite jewelry from their store and the ones that I personally own and I use constantly. All that there is gonna be heavily discounted with this new discount code. So not only can you buy them for yourself, you can buy it for your girlfriend, for your sister, for your mother, for your father, for your brother. Literally, this is the perfect gift to get anybody that's special in your life and you wanna get them something nice. If you guys wanna check it out, go ahead and click that link below, get yourself some. Right now is the perfect time to stock up. The 4th crush hack you can do, compliment them. Now this one, out of all 6, this one's gonna take some huevos. But just grow them and give your crush a compliment. This is the easiest way to make them feel good about themselves and associate that good feeling with the person that gave them the compliment, which is you, which means that's good. But I want to make it easier on you. You see, there's 2 types of compliments. There's the compliments you make on a people's choice. This is something that a person actively chose to do, such as the style they chose, the shoes they chose, the hairstyle they have. Then there's the second type of compliment that you make on a person's aspects that they really have no control about, like their eyes or their height or their body shape or how attractive they are. From personal experience, the first type of compliment tend to be more genuine, more memorable, and from the receiver side, they tend to appreciate better because the second type, they have no control over. The first type, you're basically saying you appreciate the choice they make and you acknowledge it, which makes it easier on us. It's much easier to say, wow, I like your shoes than, man, you're super hot. You see? The fifth crush hack you can do is to sit on the front row. People in schools, offices, public assemblies across the world always rush to the back seats to sit there because they feel insecure and feel safer on the back. Well, that fear of being noticed instantly reflects on your lack of confidence. Break the norm. Sit on the first row of your classroom, of your office, of that public assembly, and show your extreme confidence. This will do two things. You're gonna work on that fear and overcome it, and also your crush is gonna notice and be like, damn, that guy has huevos. But finally, number 6, a white smile. A white smile is super attractive to your crush, and like I've talked about in many videos, it shows good personal hygiene. When somebody has a white smile, it shows that person that you take care of yourself. You're healthy. You have good hygiene. And think about it. Primitively, back in the day, the healthiest, most hygienic males were the ones that produced the healthiest offspring. So subconsciously, she's gonna wanna mate with you. That's no joke. That's science from the Institute of Jose Zuniga, but it works. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you guys did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, don't forget to check out our sponsor, Rose Gold and Black. Go ahead and pick up some bracelets. The discount's amazing. That's it for me today. See you next time.